Hey guys, this is Bronco Baddie. I'm back again for today's video, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing my turbo valve adapter for my 2.7 twin turbo Bronco. And if you come closer, I'll show you exactly what came in the kit. So it came with a double O-ring. I don't know if you want to zoom in on that. It looks really nice. The color is killer also. And then it also came with 2 sets of hardware to install. So there's the first set right there, and there's the second set. This is exactly what I ordered. I did get it off of eBay for about $35. And if you look over here, there is 3 slits all around, and that's gonna allow all the excess air to come right back out. And if you look over here, this is the stock, and it's gonna blow all the air right back into the intake. And this one over here bypasses all of that, and it gives you that really nice flutter noise. And when you're installing this, your first step is going to be to get a ratchet, and you're going to need an E5, go ahead and look at that, an E5 socket. Okay. To remove these 3 bolts over here. Got 1, 2, 3. Oh, like this. Okay, so there's 1. Now we're going to move on to 2. If I can put that. Oops. And once you get these 2 out, you're going to have to unscrew these from the clip holder before you can get down and get the 3rd one. Now we can move on to the 3rd one, which is right under there. And when you are doing this 3rd one, you want to make sure that you are supporting this blow-off valve while you unscrew this other one. Okay, so now that I do have all of the screws off, I want you guys to see here, there is an O-ring that does need to stay on. So if I get my adapter right here, right, and I put it over, notice that the holes aren't going to line up perfectly. I want you guys to look. Let me try to. The holes are not going to line up perfectly in every single spot and position. So it's important that you make sure that you have it placed correctly for it to be able to go on. So I'm going to just go until I find where it matches up. Oh, sorry. Look, now it matches. Now every hole matches. Sorry, I know that it's a little hard to see, but now every hole matches up perfectly. So now we are going to place it in as one unit, and this wire is still going to be pointed towards the front over here. Right there. Does everything look good? Yes, it does. Now we are going to start installing. We're going to use this part of the hardware kit right here. And we are going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to get that in there. And now that we've got that one installed, now we're going to go ahead and do the last 2 screws. Okay, and if for some reason when you get to the 3rd screw on the bottom, if the holes are no longer aligned, what you're gonna have to do is go ahead and loosen up your other 2 and take them off and go ahead and rotate it until they line back up again. So this kit did not come with screws long enough to go through these. So for now, I am just gonna zip tie them, and in the future, I am going to get longer screws. So I did tip install these with the Phillips screwdriver. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten them, but I'm not gonna do them too tight. And this is a 10mm socket that I'm gonna use to tighten these a little bit. There it is. All done. Okay, so I do want you guys to look, because I did end up installing the zip ties into the existing holes there. Now that that's all done, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fire it up and we're gonna see how this sounds. Okay, so now we are going to start it and we're gonna see how it sounds. I think that was pretty successful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So if you guys enjoyed that video, I would love it if you would subscribe to me. That way I can continue to make more videos like this. I would love to hear your suggestions in the comments if there's anything that you would like me to review here, and if there's anything out there that you would like for me to try to install.